Good morning, good evening, where every time you watch this video, guys, your boy Bruce. You see the thumbnail. Today, I'm gonna switch my Miso custom turn signals, out with sequential turning signals. That's a mouthful. And today is like, I'm giving my boy the black lenses because he has the amber ones and I really want them. And he was talking about getting the black ones one day. So I hit him up. I was like, dude, what if we switch? What if I get the black lenses and switch them out for your amber since they're still kind of new? He's like, he's down for it. So today we're switching them out. Stay tuned for this. It's gonna be a lot of B-roll. So, and I'm gonna explain to you along the way how to do it. So let's get this thing started. Alright guys, we're gonna switch out this Miso Customs right here with this black turn sequential, but the black turn sequential is actually going on this bad boy right here, and I'm actually getting these orange amber ones that he has to tie in with Brucifer. So we're gonna put this on his truck and put those on my truck. And guys, I probably might do a giveaway, or if you're interested in these Miso Customs, let me know down in the comment section below, work something out. Or I'll just do a giveaway on Instagram. Either way, but let's get to this install. Ladies and gentlemen, we took off the cap right here. It feels like you're breaking it when you're pulling it off, but you're not. It's holding in by a couple of little clamps. All right, this is the wire that takes you down to power this bad boy, as you can see. And then we got the orange amber right there. Oh man, I can't wait for this. Look at the pop, look at that. And then if you take it off, you're gonna miss this. But we got something better coming, stay tuned.
So basically what I'm doing here, okay, is I'm gonna try to just wiggle, finesse this Miso Customs turn signal out. Okay. Like such, okay. I thought I was, there we go, okay. So now we've got this guy here. So what I'm gonna do is just pull this guy here. What's going on, guys? This is Mayor Mike checking in. Listen, man, when it comes to the Miso Customs turn signal and the Tacoma lifestyle, you have Miso Customs right here. Excellent work, excellent quality. But then when it comes to Tacoma's Tacoma lifestyle, they got the beautiful sequential turn signals here, right? So basically what you want to do on the back side of this is this tab, oh, that's why it was kind of jacked up. But anyways, so what you do is you detach this guy, which is going to be this piece here. So it's going to sit like this into that. Just hit that tab, hold it, and then detach. Okay. And you're good to go. So now, with the new setup, Tacoma lifestyle, the ambers, what we're gonna do is just place this guy here.
So guys, at the end of the day, the install is in. I got the flashers on. You should have something that's going on like this right here. Sequential, baby. Sequential. The only magnetic gray Tacoma I've seen with these turn signals so far. I might be wrong, but the only one I've seen in Charlotte with it so far, guys. What you guys think? Subscribe to the channel, give me a like, give me a subscribe, give me a comment down below about these. And for my Miso Customs, if you guys are interested in my Miso Customs, one clip is kind of chipped, but trust me, it clicks in just fine. They are functional, they work. Let me know down below, or I might do a giveaway on my Instagram. That's linked down below, guys. Until then, follow, like, subscribe, comment, and this is your boy Bruce. Thanks to my boy Mikey G and Ghost. I'm out. See you guys. Peace out.